What are you doing?
I'm making myself
You're making yourself sandwich.
Oh no.
Is the heat on?
Oil.
Do you have enough olive oil in your pan? Not too much, you know.
Bread I had here is there.
It's hot enough.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Time to prove that you are a master chef. 1, 2, go. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's good, Daniel. Lovely. You did it. Give me 5. Ah, you did it. Oh, wow. That's my chef right there. What do you mean? You made your own? All done, isn't it?
yeah.
All done. I hope the heat is off, isn't it?
Yeah. The heat is off, yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that sandwich. Egg sandwich. So what are you adding? Ketchup. Hey. Oh, no, to. Oh, no, to. Ketchup by the side. Oh, wow. Good job, Daniel. Enjoy.